hungry donkey. Said the donkey to the gingerbread man. I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man just laughed and said, ha ha! I run away from a little old man. I run away from a little old woman. I run away from a cow. And I run away from you too. And off he ran, singing his song. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Barbie, do you want to be straight rows?
The gingerbread man looked up at the sky and he saw dark clouds overhead. The wind started to blow. The wind got stronger and stronger, and the rain started to pitter-patter. The gingerbread man saw a bus shelter nearby and decided to take cover from the rain. The gingerbread man felt much safer in the bus shelter, and he was just getting his breath back when suddenly he heard another strange noise. Oh my goodness, you all seem to know. If I count to three, will you tell me what it is? After three. 1, 2, 3. It was a duck! Quack, quack, said the duck to the gingerbread man. I want to eat you! But the gingerbread man just laughed and said, ha ha ha! I've run away from a little old man. I've run away from a little old woman. I've run away from a cow. I've run away from a donkey. And I can run away from you too. And off he ran, singing his song. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. So the gingerbread man ran on and on, as fast as he could. He was very pleased with his running. Nobody can catch me, he thought. But then the gingerbread man met a sly old Come here, said the fox. I want to talk to you. But the gingerbread man didn't know whether he could trust the fox. So he carried on running. And the fox ran after the gingerbread man. And the gingerbread man ran faster still. Soon they came to a canal. Why do I cross the canal? Asked the gingerbread man. That's for my tail, and I'll take it. The gingerbread man did. my back. And the gingerbread man did. And the fox continued to swim across the canal. But then the fox turned to the gingerbread man and said, now my back is getting tired. Jump onto my nose. And the gingerbread man did. Soon they reached the other side of the canal. And just as the gingerbread man was about to jump.
Never down. Go down. I will make sure. I have seen a couple of people doing the same arm as leg. Now that's not the one. Like, I'm just gonna give an example. This doesn't look right. You gotta make sure it's opposite arm to opposite leg, okay? So if my left arm's in front, my right leg's probably out. If my right arm's in front, my left leg's probably out. Do you know what I mean? Opposites, always lower down, always very dippy, okay? So we're gonna do that walk again. Down.
Yeah, I know. 2 times. Yeah, they get like, don't do it.
I know the duck walk's a bit hard on the knees, but I promise the more practice you get, jumping over hurdles like horses, I swear, you got this. You're gonna lever down. Bounce. Nice work. It was a full workout, this workshop. It's not messing about. So we're going to do little ones, little quack, and then we're going to do the dip at the end. So this is the bit, oh I know, it's the hard one, But we're going to come out slowly, very slowly, all the way to the bottom. So, put our arms out. We lower the knee down. We sit down on our butts. So we're going to go from the top, and what we're going to do is the catwalk bit, into the arms bit, into the duck walk bit, and you're going to dip. Can we all do that? Yay! Right, we'll get some fun music on and we'll do it again. So remember, you've got to get into the energy of it all. It's all about the performance. Voguing used to be called performance because it was about all the energy that you gave out. So I want to make sure that you're all exuding your inner divas, your inner superstars. If you want to be an actor, a king, a queen, anything you want, you can be that right now. So we're going to get ready. I'm going to count you in a second, okay? We're going to start with the catwalks. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Confused with the arms again though, I won't do them the normal way, I promise. a little cool down. So we'll make sure that we have a little stretch after doing all that. So I don't want anyone to go home and feel a bit sore. So we're going to put something a bit more chilled on, then we're going to do a little stretch, okay?
And I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Everybody sing it. Not as good that time, guys. Not as good that time. Battery. Yeah. Battery. Come on over. Break it down. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. I think of all the things that we did, and in my head I paint a picture. Yeah. Well, since I come home, with my body been a mess, I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Thank you very much. Alright, we got another oldie but a goodie. It's by Bill Withers. If you're too young to know it, let this be the first time. It's a great tune, you'll hear it all your lives. Boys? It's real simple, how about sing if you know it? When I wake up in the morning, love, the sunlight hits my eyes. Something without wanting love was heavy on my mind. Then I love you, and the world's alright with me. Oh, I just wanna love you. Everybody sing. A lovely day. A lovely day. A lovely day. And with the day that lies ahead of me, when it seems impossible to face, someone else instead of me, oh, they always seem to know the way, but then I look at you, and the world's alright with me, it's alright with me, just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be, yeah, a lovely day. Break it down. And when I wake up in the morning light, oh, the sunlight hurts my eyes. Yeah. There's something with that morning light.